Exciting times. We've got a new buggy for the indoor winter season, and I'm going to be reviewing the new Willspeed YZ2 conversion. Got all the kit in here now. Got my body shell and the wing. The body shell's gone off for spraying up. It's a special body shell for the Willspeed conversion kit. So let's do a little preview. We got obviously the Cal 3 kit that you need to use the conversion on. So I got myself a fresh one of those for the winter season. And then the Willspeed kit itself. Big thanks to all of the chaps there getting this over to me. And Sam Mughal for the Cal 3 at SEMCS Racing. Check out them for all their Yokomo needs. So here we are. Here are all the bits that come in the Willspeed upgrade. So let's take a little look here. It looks like there's more in here than I appreciated. There's the motor mount, and this is airplane standard or billets quality. That looks a very nice bit of kit there. That's the gearbox. That's the shock towers. Then we've got the Take 1D mount that comes free with the kit when you order them within a certain time. I being the addict, got in early and got that. Then we've got the shock tower body. That carbon was the upstands. Then we've got the O-ring battery mount. I think they've just done a new one of those for the YZ2. And then we've got the extra gears, idler gears, for the different, obviously the different shock, the gearbox. And then we've got the delicious chassis, which looks absolutely superb. We got, what have we got here? We got the conversion kit, a couple of nuts there, bolts, and then we've got the body shell as well. That's special for the Willspeed. You can't use a standard YZ2 body shell for this, so that needs to be from the Willspeed guys. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to, I don't think there's anything else in the box there. Got some nice stickers by the looks of things. Oh, that's going to look good on the new body shell. Chrome stickers. Awesome. Fantastic. Let's have a little look at this gearbox here, because that looks absolutely stunning. Comes with all of the bolts already pre-assembled there, obviously. Gosh, that is a lovely bit of kit. A lovely bit of kit. Let's have a little look at the chassis. Now obviously the idea of this is for high grip, mid to high grip, so perfect for the indoor carpet season. Going to be going to Essex Carpet Clash for me. And as and when the 12 scale season kicks off, I'll be doing that too. But so we got the nice Willspeed YZ2 RF2 written on there. The lovely Willspeed stamp on the bottom. Gosh, this feels superbly made. Quality is fantastic. Really good job. Really good job. Gee whiz. Obviously got a single battery position. And that's about it. Don't really think there's much else to show you, but I'm going to do a bit of a build as I go along here and fit in all the different various option parts that they offer to give you some insight, and hopefully that's given you some good overview of what's going on with the new Willspeed conversion kit. And check out the YouTube channel, click the bell so you don't miss a thing. If you like this, hit the like button too, and I'll see you all trackside soon.